So this is gonna be again in a BOLO category. Why? Because these old tools from all different brands, Dewalt, Rigid, Milwaukee, Makita, they all sell great now. These guys who are used to this kind of stuff and they want these old tools, they're buying this like crazy. Paid $5 from this old Dewalt light. Sold for 40 bucks, guys. Can you believe it? This is a new category that it's definitely a BOLO. This one is the model DC509. Paid $5, sold for 40, $10 shipping. Keep looking for these. Anything that it's older, guys are buying. Love it.